Hey guys, this is for real. I think I'm about to grab the sheep and get her into the basement here. We're still in this storm track. We're supposed to be a little west of it, but there's some rotation I can actually see over there. So me and the storm sheep are going to get undercover here. We'll try to give you an update. Yeah, some serious rotation going on over there. Oh yeah.
We're in basement tornado mode. Hey Dexter. Hey Polly. We're hiding out in the basement. Oh, with our dumb helmets on.
But if this is not a tornado, this is as close as I ever want to come to being in one. Wow, incredible. And I'll tell you, these clouds are not moving in the direction that the storm is moving, so I'm assuming that's rotation. I'm about one step from the basement door, in case you were wondering. Alright folks, this looks like, if not a really severe thunderstorm. I'm just crouching down in the doorway of the basement. It's almost black here. You can see it. Street lights are on. And these clouds that are coming right over us right now are not moving in the direction of the storm. Incredible. But in about a minute, it's went from being light to pretty much nighttime. We might be just on the periphery of whatever this is. So. But I don't think I've ever seen a storm where it got this dark in less than a couple of minutes. Yep, there's some lightning.
Scared. Hey Joey. You want to go in the house, Lily? Here, want to go in here? Here you go. Want to go inside? Go inside? I open the goddamn thing. Oh, Lily just ran inside. Here you go.
I ever get another signal again.
Is that better?
Tornado, get in. Here comes the wind. Holy shit. Alright people. We're getting hail and serious wind right now. I'm with my favorite person.
Yeah, awesome. Cool.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but we got a good probably 50-mile-an-hour wind blowing right now. Can we come out now, God? Wow. Well, not sure if there's more coming, but we'll definitely be paying attention. Well, the peacock survived. What you're looking at is pieces of a chicken coop that were This is weird. There must have been a microburst or something. It's all in one line. You can see the trail of debris just going up the hill. Thank you, Dave, and all the guys at WCYB. We survived, and but this is one of the kind of worst ones we've had. And all that, you can see that was blown from there to there, but looks like we don't have any animal casualties. Luckily the chicken coop was not occupied at the time. That one was, but I guess being supported by or buffeted by the car, it was moved, but not like the other one. So Robinette Valley is still doing a little damage survey. They had made it, and the old chicken coop made it. Those guys made it. You know, they just don't make barns like they used to. We've got a few defects in that old baby, but you'd expect to see a lot more after that. Trying to find the horses. Mort, you in there? Where are you? Shit. All right. Guess I'm gonna have to go find them. Okay, sight for sore eyes. We found these guys. They weren't in the barn. They weren't down low, but here they are. I guess they instinctually knew where to go, not to get hurt. Probably smarter than we are. But we just have to make sure with the baby. See the baby nursing. And I tell you what, when you look in an empty barn, it's just a bad guy. Look at him.
Oh, bless.
This is the Pyrenees that takes care of the goats. He got out of his pasture to make sure that the horses are okay. Amazing. So we have no animal casualties. That was just a very interesting storm. But we'll just close with the baby. Nursing with the mother.